Imagine living a life with less pain, more energy, and a healthier body, all by adding a few simple foods to your diet. Today, we're uncovering 10 incredible superfoods that fight inflammation and boost your overall health. These foods are not just trendy, they're backed by science and can transform your well-being. Stay tuned to find out which ones you need in your kitchen. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Moha's Health Hub, your ultimate destination for health, fitness, and lifestyle tips. If you're struggling with inflammation, be it from stress, unhealthy eating, or chronic conditions, you're in the right place. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or illness, but when it lingers, it can lead to serious health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even diabetes. The good news? You can reduce inflammation naturally with the right foods. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 must-have superfoods that are proven to fight inflammation. I'll also share quick tips on how to include them in your diet for maximum benefits. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's your go-to anti-inflammatory food? Let's learn and share together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip that could change your life. Let's start. 10 superfoods to crush inflammation. A must-have guide. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice with a powerful compound called curcumin, which is highly effective in reducing inflammation. Add turmeric to soups, smoothies, or even teas for a daily dose of anti-inflammatory magic. 2. Ginger. Ginger isn't just for calming your stomach, it's packed with gingerol, an active compound that helps lower inflammation levels. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries or steep it in hot water to make a soothing tea. 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which fight inflammation at the cellular level. Snack on a handful of berries or toss them into your morning oatmeal for a healthy start to your day. 4. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, either grilled, baked, or in a salad. 5. Leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Sauté greens with olive oil and garlic for a quick and nutritious side dish. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and antioxidants. Sprinkle seeds over yogurt or salads, and grab a handful of nuts as a snack to keep inflammation at bay. 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, known for its anti-inflammatory compounds like oleocanthal. Use olive oil as your go-to cooking oil or drizzle it over salads for a healthy boost. 8. Green tea. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that combat inflammation and support overall health. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the afternoon for a calming, inflammation-fighting boost. 9. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Add minced garlic to your meals, from pasta sauces to roasted vegetables, for an extra flavor punch and health benefits. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cook tomatoes in olive oil to maximize lycopene absorption, perfect for a delicious pasta sauce. There you have it, 10 superfoods to help you crush inflammation and take control of your health. Which one of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Moha's Health Hub, and share this video with someone who could use these tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.